I've waited so long, kept my silence so no one could piece together what I've planned. The truth is this. I couldn't become the hero and obtain the legendary Pokémon myself. So I found someone for that purpose. A warped boy who knew nothing but Pokémon. From that moment, I provided him with everything he needed to become the hero of legend and Team Plasma's king. I encouraged En to pursue ideals so that his heart burned with a desire to improve the world. Then we could seize the minds of the people.
Hey, what do you think's going on over there?
I don't know. Let's go check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. I would like to talk to all of you about the liberation of all Pokémon. Pokémon are living beings from whom we humans have much to learn. Now, what is our responsibility towards these wonderful Pokémon? That's right! We must liberate the Pokémon! Only then will humans and Pokémon be truly equal! I put him to the test. Could he be the hero who reawakens the legendary Pokémon? En showed me that day he was worthy of sharing my name. We prepared a castle for our king, enveloping the Pokémon League. It is a symbol. It means Unova will change. The strongest trainer of all, accompanied by his legendary Pokémon, has battled the champion and won.
Please, don't separate people from Pokémon! I beg you!
Forget your destiny and always follow your heart, for your spirit is good, pure, and innocent.
And there is nothing more beautiful and terrifying than innocence.
It's time. Yes, I've waited so long, but those painful days are at an end. My perfect plan is nearly complete. Team Plasma will fan out and liberate every single Pokémon from every single person, and then release them all into the world in order to rule it utterly. Ah, yes. You have obtained the Lightstone. If you truly desire to keep the world as it is, you must battle our king. Go onward. Discover whether you have what it takes to be a hero.
Zekrom! Come to me!
I won't allow anyone to stop me, no matter who does what. The world will be mine.